We live in a society where there are no boundaries at all. People think they can come onto your status, your post, and say whatever the heck they want to say. And one of my teachers taught me one of the greatest principles, that your space online is your digital real estate. It is your front room. Nobody gets to just come on to your space in your comment section to say what they want to say. You can delete and block and move on. You don't even have to debate them. And when it comes to giving presentations, whether it's on Zoom, whether it's in real life, you get to practice not taking negativity on, whether it's your own fearful, critical voice or other people's. And let me just tell you a secret, another secret. People are usually afraid of criticism and judgment because it's a mirror and an echo of your own critical and judgmental voice towards yourself.